So we are in part 2 of the video series on problems on linear equations in two variables, and in this problem the problem says that write 4 solutions for each of the following equations. Okay, so these 3 equations are linear equations in two variables. Why they are linear equations? Because their degrees are 1 and they are linear equations in two variables because they have two variables xy, xy and xy. Let's take this first one. Now this first one is 2x plus y is equal to 7. Okay, now I assume that you have watched that tutorial on finding solutions of a linear equation in two variables. If you haven't watched that tutorial, then you can watch it. The video link of the tutorial is given in the description box below. Watch that tutorial first, only then you can understand this one. So assuming that you have watched that one, let's start. So 2x plus y is equal to 7 and we have to find 4 solutions. So let's take x is equal to 0. First one is let's take x equal to 0. When you take x equal to 0, then this becomes 2 multiplied by 0 plus y is equal to 7. From here you get y equal to 7. So when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 7. Right? So if you want to check it, you can check it. This is 2 multiplied by 0 plus y plus at the place of y you put 7 and you will get finally 7, which is equal to this one. Right? So we say that this is one pair of solutions. So next, let's take this time, let's take y equal to 0. Let's take y equal to 0. Now when you take so here you have to write as 0 comma 7. This is one solution. Now in this second case, let's take y equal to 0. And when you take y equal to 0, this equation becomes 2x plus 0 equal to 7. From here, you get x is equal to 7 by 2. Now, if you want to check it, you can put this x equal to 7 by 2 here. So 2 multiplied by 7 by 2 plus y is equal to 0. This should be equal to 7. And you can clearly see that it's actually equal to 7. That's why x is equal to 7 by 2 and y equal to 0 is another solution. So next one is 7 by 2 and this is this 0. Now this time let's take x equal to 1. So when you take x equal to 1, this becomes 2 multiplied by 1 plus y is equal to 7 and from here you get y is equal to 5. Now if you want to check it, you can check it. So 2 times 1 plus 5 and this is actually equal to 7, which is this one. So x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 5. This is another solution. That is 1 comma 5. Last one. Now this time let's take y equal to 1. So when you take y equal to 1, this equation becomes 2x plus 1 equal to 7. From here you get 2x equal to 6 and from here you get x equal to 3. So it means that x equal to 3 and y equal to 1, this is another pair of solution for this equation. And if you want to check it, put 2 multiplied by 3 plus 1 and this is actually equal to 7. That is this one. So x is equal to 3 and y equal to 1. This is one more pair. So this is first pair, second pair, third pair and fourth solution. Let's take this second one. This is pi x plus y. So this is pi x plus y. Let's take pi is equal to 22 by 7. Let's take pi equal to 22 by 7. So from here, this equation becomes 22 by 7 x plus y equal to 9. Right? 22 by 7 x plus y equal to 9. So when you now this equation is 22 by 7 x plus y equal to 9 and let's take x equal to 0. Let's take x is equal to 0. So when you take x equal to 0, this becomes 22 by 7 multiplied by 0 plus y equal to 9, and from here you get y equal to 9. So from here you get y equal to 9. It means that x equal to 0 and y 9, 0 comma 9 is one solution. If you want to check, you can check. So this is 22 by 7 multiplied by 0 plus 9, and you get 9, which is equal to this one. So x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 9 is another solution, one solution, 0 comma 9. The next one is if you take y equal to 0. Let's take y equal to 0. When you take y equal to 0, this becomes 22 by 7 x plus 0 equal to 9, and from here you get 22 by 7 x equal to 9, and from this you get x equal to 63 by 22. So x is equal to 63 by 22, and you have, if you want to check it, you can put this value here and you will get exactly the same 9 as we have here. So 63 by 22 comma 0 is another solution. Now always remember that when you find the solutions of a linear equation in two variables, you can have infinitely many solutions. There is no limit. That's why most probably your answer will not match with your answer given in your book. Okay, so that is not a problem. Now here let's take x equal to 1. So when you take x equal to 1, this is 22 by 7 multiplied by 1 and plus y equal to 9, and from here you get y equal to 9 minus 22 by 7. Now if you take this LCM, you get y is equal to 7, and this is 63 minus 22. Now 63 minus 22 is 30, 33 and 41. So 41 by 7. So when you take x equal to 1, then your y is actually 41 by 7, and this is the third solution. That is, the third solution is 1 comma 41 by 7. And last one, this time let's take x equal to 7. Let's take x equal to 7. So when you take x equal to 7, then this equation becomes 22 by 7 multiplied by 7 plus y equal to 9, and from here you get y equal to, now this 7 and this 7 get cancelled, you have y equal to 9 minus 22. Y equal to 9 minus 22, and this becomes y equal to minus 13. When y equal to minus 13, then you have one more pair of solution ready, and that is 7 comma minus 13. This is another pair. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, right? And in this third case, I'm leaving it for you. It's for your homework. Perform this. You can write it as x minus 4y equal to 0, and as we have done earlier, that every time you choose either value of x, or you choose a value of y, and on the basis of that you calculate x and y, and you will get the 4 pairs of solutions for this one. This is for your homework. Now here in this case, which one of the following options is true and why? Y is equal to 3x plus 5. So y equal to 3x plus 5 has a unique solution, only 2 solutions, infinitely many solutions. Now this can be written as 3x minus y plus 5 equal to 0, or y minus 3x plus 5 minus 5 equal to 0. If you rearrange it, you will get minus 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. Now in both these two equations, whether you take this one or this one, this is a linear equation in two variables. Basically, this is a linear equation in two variables. And just now we have learned here that when you calculate the solutions of linear equation in two variables, then that is not unique. That's neither unique, nor it's two solutions, nor three solutions. It's infinitely many solutions. The solutions are infinite because every time you take one value of x, you'll get a corresponding value of y. Then you go on changing the value of x and y, and so will your solutions of this equation will change, right? So it is infinitely many solutions. Find the value of k if x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k. And that's really very simple. It's saying that it's if 2x plus 3y is equal to k, of course it's a linear equation in two variables, and it's given that 2 comma 1, that is at the place of x you have to put 2 and at the place of y you have to put 1. If 2 comma 1 is a solution, what's the value of k? So what's the value of k? That's simple. Put at the place of x put 2 plus 3, at the place of y put 1, and this is k. This is 4 plus 3, that is 7. So k is actually equal to 7. So you have this value of k that is equal to 7.